I need to get in place in order to make things work to be able to set up GPU. And I'm going to set it up so that I have it within the Anaconda instance. And then also I'm going to set it up so that I have it within the Docker instance. So as prerequisites, I've already installed Anaconda, and I'm also going to go ahead and install Docker. Now, I'll be able to use this in both environments. And that'll be fun. So here I have Docker Desktop that it's working through things. So I'm going to allow Windows to basically install this, and I'm going to use the Windows subsystem for Linux. And then when I go and configure the other parts of this inside of PowerShell in a moment, I'll be able to leverage the Windows subsystem for Linux in order to provide the virtual instances in order to give me an environment that then has the GPU support. And I'll talk about setting all those things up in just a moment. This is just a little bit out of date version of Docker Desktop. It's what I already had downloaded, so I'll go ahead and let it finish the install. Don't need to walk through any details on that. And then I'll get you in a state where we can go ahead and move things forward with other configuration components.